Let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works. It's super crazy, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this method.
Hey guys, so do you enjoy the game Madden NFL, the newest one? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version with unlimited currency. So as you can see, guys, these are the currency values in the account, and in the mod menu, we can turn on unlimited cash and coins. So I just turned that on, so let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, I got this and this, 2,900 and 256. Pretty bad, nothing to talk about, nothing to make me rich, but it could increase. So let's see if it, oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright, so what we're going to do is just go on tweakmod.com. So on this site, just type Madden, press install, and before it downloads is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. All you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free, and it's also from the official app store. So that's a really good benefit because a lot of people don't want to do third-party downloads, and I understand that. But this verification step is from the official app store, which is epic. So let's just wait for it to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second for this to load up. Should be all pumped up, ready to go. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So just gotta do missing files, bro. So there we go, we're done. So yeah, just download 2 of these. Like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do this Family Island, which says reach level 10, and same with the Travel Towns, reach level 9. So there's mostly some games in here, which is pretty easy to do. So just make sure you do 2 of these. I'll see you later. But that's how I get Madden NFL 26 mod for iOS, Android. It's all happening right away. Peace out.